Availability monitoring in the SolarWinds observability platform's digital experience monitoring allows you to leverage synthetic probes throughout different regions to check on your websites or endpoints at regular intervals. This allows you to become aware of any issue potentially before an end user has to deal with it. To enable availability monitoring for your website, add a new website entity through the Add Data wizard. Give your website entity a name and supply the URL you will be enabling availability monitoring for. Enable the availability monitoring toggle and click Next. Now we'll configure the availability monitoring for our website entity. Choose between either HTTP or HTTPS for your desired protocol. Now select where you would like your website to be monitored from. You can choose between generic regions, countries, or even specific cities. Set the test interval for how often you would like your website to be checked on. Optionally, you can add headers to the request made by the availability monitor and also validate the presence of a specified string on the page. The availability monitoring can also keep an eye on your SSL certificates so that you can stay on top of when they'll be expiring instead of finding out after it's too late. Once you have completed the configuration, click Next to review a summary of your website entity. If everything looks accurate, click Add Website to create your website entity and begin monitoring the availability of your website.